Studying ecology and wildlife conservation is very important because we cannot protect what we don't understand. By studying all the different animals and plants and how they interact, we can ensure that they're going to be here for the next generations.
Ecology and wildlife conservation is a really broad degree, so we cover all sorts of things from ornithology and mammalogy, so study of birds and mammals, right the way through to entomology, study of insects, and also plants.
We try to understand what different organisms are at risk, what might disappear, what might be declining rapidly, and what can we do to prevent their decline and their extinction.
So there's a whole host of really important field skills that we teach on the Ecology and Wildlife Conservation course. So this is everything from species identification, learning to identify different species, what makes them important and unique, to how to survey them.
White Knights campus is a good place to study ecology and wildlife conservation because there's lots of different green spaces on the campus, which include the Harris Garden, a rewilding area, meadows, lakes, and the woodlands as well.
So as part of our program, students really get a lot of opportunities to get hands-on experience doing things in the field. And this includes going in the field just on campus. We have a wonderful campus where students can actually go out for a day of practicals, spend 2 hours outside capturing insects, placing camera traps, doing a series of activities.
As part of your degree, you get to go to a lot of different field courses depending on your interests. For example, I have went to the Devon field course that was in England, and it was absolutely amazing to learn a little bit more about the diversity here in England. But there's also many different courses.
In the third year of the Ecology and Wildlife Conservation degree, students have the opportunity to conduct their own independent research project. So this is something where they can get out into the field, they can design their own study, collect their own data, learn to analyse it and write it up under the supervision of one of the members of staff from the school.
I have a passion for nature. That's something that drew me to the course, and also just the fact that I would potentially have a job after that would be involved in biodiversity and preservation of biodiversity.
After they graduate, our students go to a lot of different careers. Some students might pursue further studying, they might take a master's or even go into a PhD program to become researchers. Some students can also decide to go directly into ecological consultant or work in conservation, often with an NGO.
I would like to stay in academia and get a PhD, probably in plant science. And I think that this course has helped me to gain a lot of valuable knowledge and practical skills that will help me accomplish this goal. I would absolutely recommend studying BSc Ecology and Wildlife Conservation at Reading to a friend.